Hi there, students. Raiment. Okay, this is an uncountable noun. It's very literary and rather old-fashioned, and it just means clothes. So, raiment, your attire, the garments you're wearing, your habiliment, your appareil. Yeah, your rags, your threads, your garb, your duds. So, raiment, it's talking about your clothes. The raiment that you wear tells a lot about you. Yeah, you can see what a mess I am. Okay, so raiment, the clothing, the garments that you wear. This is a pretty old-fashioned word, or very literary. So I'd be very careful where I use this word raiment. Yeah. Yeah, the clothes that you wear. This is talking about your raiment. Yeah, the textiles on your body to cover you. So the range of raiment in my girlfriend's wardrobe is quite incredible. Yeah. So yeah, a young man clothed in the most outrageous raiment. Yeah, maybe a red suit or something like that. Maybe the raiment of a clergyman. Yeah. Let's see, what more do you need in life than food and raiment and shelter? Yeah, so clothes. Yeah, the clothes that you wear. Yeah. Um, okay, so yeah, a quote. If is not the life more than meat and the body more than raiment? Yeah, so yeah, we are more than the raiment that we wear. Yeah, if you've got enough food and raiment, then you ought to be contented with your life. Okay, so raiment. Let's see, formality. Woo. I think I'm going to give this one a 7.5. Don't use it informally. Your duds, your togs, yeah, what your get up, something like that. Informal, semi-formal conversation, probably not really. Use this in something very literary, something very formal, semi-formal or formal writing. In something poetic, it would sound absolutely great. And then as to origin, well, it comes from arrayment. Yeah, array, selection, a selection of things. So the arrayment, how you are arrayed, how you are shown. And this comes from Anglo-Norman, arrayement, to array, to put things out for show. Yeah, so effectively the way you are arrayed is the clothing that you're wearing. So, arrayment, your clothes, but use it formal, literary, poetic. Otherwise, it's a very old-fashioned word. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Raiment.